Ever came across a way to make money that's technically legal, but feels so wrong you'd second guess doing it? Well, in today's video we're presenting 10 money-making methods that follow the law, but push the boundaries of ethics. These aren't your regular side hustles, so stay tuned to see how far outside the box we can go. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Credit card churning. First on the list is credit card churning, a way to earn maximum rewards and cash back by strategically using credit cards. This method involves signing up for credit cards with generous rewards, meeting spending limits, and canceling before fees hit. You'll get all the benefits and avoid extra costs if you pay balances on time and stay organized with your payments. To maximize rewards without incurring fees, track your spending carefully and set clear reminders for cancellation dates. Number 2. Coupon stacking. Next up is coupon stacking, where you layer different coupons and cashback offers for incredible savings on your purchases. This strategy can get you groceries, household products, or personal items for little to no cost if done correctly and patiently. It may seem like you're gaming the system, but as long as you follow the store's policies, it's completely above board. Use apps like Honey or Rakuten to discover cashback offers, which pair well with your coupons for even better deals. Number 3. Reselling free stuff online. Another great method is reselling free stuff you find on platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for a profit. Pick up free items, clean or repair them, and sell them online to make money while giving those items a new lease on life. Though it might seem like you're taking advantage of generosity, it's an honest way to earn by recycling and repurposing goods. Look for items with small defects that can be fixed easily, and highlight their value in creative ways within your listings. Number 4. Retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage involves buying discounted products in stores and selling them at higher prices on platforms like Amazon or eBay. Many people use barcode scanners in stores to check if items are selling for a profit online before making purchasing decisions. Buying low and selling high might feel opportunistic, but it's just smart business and a fundamental principle of entrepreneurship. Apps like the Amazon Seller app let you compare prices and check demand, saving time while maximizing your retail arbitrage profits. Number 5. Gift card flipping. Next, we have gift card flipping, which is the practice of buying unwanted gift cards online at a discounted price. You can resell these cards for a profit or use them to purchase other items that you can then flip for more cash. While it might feel like an unusual strategy, flipping gift cards is completely legal and a clever way to increase your income. Websites like Card Cash or Raise allow you to buy discounted cards securely, ensuring your profit margins remain solid. Number 6. Buying broken electronics. Buying broken electronics is another excellent way to earn money by fixing and reselling devices you find at low prices online. Most broken electronics require only minor repairs, like replacing a part or resetting software, to become fully functional again. While some see this as taking advantage, it's a smart way to turn undervalued items into profit by adding legitimate value. Research common electronic repairs using YouTube tutorials to learn quick fixes that increase both resale value and your earnings. Number 7. Concert ticket arbitrage. Another profitable method is concert ticket arbitrage, where you buy tickets for popular events and resell them at higher prices. purchase tickets as soon as they're available, then sell them for more as demand increases closer to the date of the event. Although it might feel questionable, as long as you're complying with local resale laws, this method is perfectly legitimate. Apps like Songkick or Bandsintown help you track concert announcements, ensuring you secure tickets before they sell out. Number 8. Parking space rental. There's parking space rental, a great way to earn money if you have an unused spot in the high-demand area of your city. You can rent out spaces near stadiums, airports, or busy downtown areas, where parking availability is often a premium. It might feel unusual to charge for something as simple as space, but it's a completely legitimate and profitable opportunity. Platforms like SpotHero or Parkly make it easy to list your parking spot and connect with people searching for spaces nearby. Adjust your rental rates based on local events to maximize earnings, especially when demand spikes during special occasions. Number 9. Freelance refund consulting. Freelance refund consulting involves helping people recover refunds for incorrect charges, subscriptions, or poor services. You negotiate on behalf of clients to get refunds from companies and keep a percentage of the recovered amount as payment. It might feel shady dealing with customer service, but this method is ethical and relies on legitimate consumer rights. Focus on cases where refunds are due, like subscription renewals or botched deliveries, to ensure fair and honest earnings. Use platforms like Reddit or Facebook groups to find people who need help disputing charges and recovering their money. Number 10. Data scraping for lead generation. Data scraping for lead generation means gathering publicly available data online to create targeted contact lists for businesses. You compile leads, such as emails or phone numbers, for marketing agencies or businesses needing better outreach strategies. Though it seems intrusive, scraping public data is legal as long as you avoid restricted areas and follow all privacy regulations. Use tools like Python or specialized software to automate data collection, saving time and ensuring your process stays efficient. Focus on building clean, valuable lists for legitimate businesses, keeping transparency and legality at the core of your work. Now that you've seen money-making methods that live in the gray area, you're probably wondering what's next? For educational purposes only, let's dive into how real money moves in the shady corners of the internet. Click this video or you will always wonder what you didn't learn.